is about fake news. As you know, fake news is a type of yellow journalism or propaganda that consists of a deliberate misinformation, disinformation, hoax, rumor via newspaper, broadcast media, or online social media. It became a global subject since 2016 U.S. presidential election, especially due to Donald Trump. But I believe it's a very, very old problem since when people communicate one another. So I think it's not easy to check if an article is fake or not. So I'm wondering that could AI help stop fake news? AI can be fake news detector in the near future. If not possible, why not? And if possible, which is the effective way for this? That's my question.
Well, actually, it is possible. It is possible. Uh, Maybe I have seen advertisement of a course on Udemy which states that you can make a video detector, but effectiveness of this detector cannot be quantified, I think.
Which kind of information can be handled?
Maybe the strings of information like text, etc.
I think it's not possible, like in the near future, because to classify a news as correct or false, we need multiple sources. That's like how we work. But what if there are multiple fake sources, right? So, like, I guess Facebook tried to come up with a similar thing by analyzing like the chats of the people in that particular area. Like, if the conversations have some particular keywords, like between people in that area, the conversations are having some particular keywords, like related to that news. It provides a higher confidence or a higher possibility of that particular news being correct. But still, again, then like we have the chatbots now, so I'm not sure the accuracy or effectiveness of it. So like I think with the increasing sophistication of like AI fake news detector, there is also a possibility of increasing sophistication of AI fake news generator. Yeah. So yeah, that's my opinion.
Do you think in the far future it can be?
I think okay. My imagination is restricted in that, so I'm not sure of that.
But if you create a fake news using an AI, then it is difficult. But at the present time, when AI is not creating the fake news, then it is possible. But if you have both steel tools cutting each other, or they will just burn each other. There will be no solution. Like two AIs against each other. There is also a chatbot which replies to scams. That is an AI chatbot, and that can make you spend a lot of time. And same is the case if AI generates the fake news itself. So you have to make a AI with higher accuracy or something like that to cater the fake news generated by an AI.
Yeah, but isn't it both-ended, like double-ended, in the sense that if I'm creating an AI fake news detector, some other researcher might be like making a AI fake news creator to just outperform my system. Like that's how the research goes, right?
Yeah. But for detection, you have to outperform the fake news generator.
Yeah.
That was my point.
Yeah, but it's like my opinion is more like for detector we need multiple sources to confirm whether an event has occurred or not.
But for generator, you will also need multiple servers to generate the fake news from those servers.
Isn't that possible? Like I just route it through different servers from various locations, like how the VPN works.
Yes. And same, the AI should be able to check the servers and backtrack them.
Yeah, interesting PhD topic, yeah? All the best.
And I think it's not really relevant to just determine whether the news is fake or not, just by how many sources it's from.
Yeah.
I think there should be, I mean, different sources have different reliability. Like, if you read the Time, you see it's more reliable than something like
Okay.
some like random news site on Facebook. You know? So I guess if we can somehow determine, like if we put more like weight on more reliable sources, I guess it would be one way to improve it a bit, rather than just having number of sources. Because you can just, as you said, you can just generate a fake news generator and just generate infinite fake news.
I just feel it's going to go in a long way because like how do you figure out whether a source is reliable or not?
That
Yeah. No, because
that's a man's job, I guess.
yeah, no. The thing is because like sometimes like even the CNN, BBC, they also have like to come up with the erratas or something like that just to or apologizing because of the wrong news they reported. So
But it's less than compared to
yeah,
like
exactly.
something like Wikipedia. Like
Because they have
or something
interest to
like
say something fake, maybe. Like a journal,
Yeah.
the aim is to sell copies.
Yeah.
So maybe a fake news can sell more copies. But for example, if I think about, I don't know, sometimes politician says, I don't know, 50% of the people thinks this, and if you look at the statistics, it's wrong. So there are like some entities that always say like they should be certified to say the truth. Like if I think about the statistical organization of a country, if they say like, I don't know, 50% of the people in Italy have diesel car, they should verify that they shouldn't say something wrong, even though they have no interest to say something wrong. Like, I guess.
And another benefit of AI is that because it has such a vast database and it can access so many data, like if they say 50% of Italians drive diesel, they can access the data
All the time.
within a certain database
Yeah.
and then confirm that and whether it is fake or not.
So just, I think if you select some sources that you know are true, I know it's still the
Yeah, but yeah, at some point of time you need to like provide a weight to or provide a confidence for the
Yeah.
reliable source. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, agreed.
But if fake news comes from the reliable source.
Just go away really.
I said that it will go a long way because there's always a possibility of
Yeah.
conflicts of interest. So yeah. Yep.
And next topic is about our rights. There are conflicts between right to know and the right to be forgotten. Right to know is about freedom of information, and right to be forgotten is a problem of privacy. Washington State Supreme Court Justice Tom Chambers said justice must be conducted openly to foster the public's understanding and clearness of society. And the reporter Susan Moore of the Guardian said the right to be forgotten is the right to have an imperfect past. So, if there are only two options for the world, which do you agree with?
I think that not everyone has the right to know. Like your future employer had maybe the right to know, what, for example, what I studied in France, but I don't think that it's not very important for you to know what I studied. It's my privacy, or like my family is not very important for you. It's my privacy, but employers or justice, they have access and they have the right to know for people, so we can still have some regulation possible, but not everyone.
So, one person, case by case.
I think we have to distinguish between like things that private information or not. Like, for example, where I don't know, if there's some information like about my family that are private, and if I want to tell you, I'm gonna tell you. But I think like government or I don't know, they shouldn't know about my personal problems. So like, we have to distinguish between information that can be useful for my knowledge and others that are just my business. And but yeah, I think it was also the problem with the USA, that it was like spying people, and so yeah, we have just to find where is the limit in which we can know, say things, and which part is private.
I guess on some special cases, a person's right to know might be interfering with another person's right to be forgotten on a case-to-case basis. So on that, it's like just conflicting terms.